Let's talk about positioning yourself in the plea bargaining process in a domestic violence case. It is critical that you obey every single court order that's made. What do I mean by that? Generally speaking, in a domestic violence case, on your first court appearance, the judge will order that you have no contact whatsoever with the victim. Generally speaking, the person arrested for domestic violence is a man. And generally speaking, the victim is a woman. It could be a woman is the defendant and a man is the victim. It could be two men, two women, a transgender relationship. It doesn't matter, but for purposes of this video, I'm just going to talk about it as a man being arrested and a woman being the victim. So the judge will tell you, the man, to stay away from the victim completely and have no contact whatsoever, no phone calls, no emails, no text messages, and no communication with the victim through a third party except an attorney. Now that is both a sword and a shield. What do I mean by that? We talk about swords and shields in law all the time. The shield is that if you obey the court's order and you do not have any communication with your wife, girlfriend, fiance, there's not going to be some new incident. And it protects you from having a further legal problem. It also, and this is what the court is concerned about, protects her from having some further physical problem from you. My concern as an attorney is safety. I want you to be legally safe, and I want her to be physically safe. It is really important, and by following the court's order, you guarantee physical and legal safety for both of you. That's the shield. What's the sword? The sword is how we can use the court's order in order to effectively work our case in the plea bargaining process. Your wife, your girlfriend, your fiance is going to want to talk to you. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but in the near future, she's going to want to talk to you. Why? Because she wants something from you. What does she want? She wants money, she wants love, she wants attention, she wants childcare. And when she calls, it is absolutely critical that the only thing that you say is, the judge has ordered me not to talk to you. Call my lawyer. Okay, why is that so important? Because if I'm your lawyer, I want your wife, girlfriend, fiance to call me. And that way I will be able to explain to her why you're not talking to her. I will be able to explain to her the judge's order. And I will also be able to explain to her that she is under no obligation whatsoever in order to testify in this case. And if there is no testimony, there is no case. That's the sword. So, if a court makes an order that you're not to have any contact, obey the court's order. It is in your best interest, and we can use it to protect you, and we can use it to fight the case in the plea bargaining process.